Is it become
Too high.
You have to do that.
Hey! Here are 30 tons of lemons.
Wow.
All picked by hand, one by one. And the harvest time here begins in March, ending on March, beginning of April, until September. All those trees are the chestnuts used as a wood supply for the construction of the buildings. My father, 63 years old. Giovane.
Wow, that's awesome.
And what are they?
Cheese.
So we just finished our tour of the Limoncello farm, lemon farm. It's called, what here? Azienda Agricola La Masseria. Very neat. You can't see super well, but there are lemon groves in the background. They have some oranges also. Very neat. They actually have some pigs and chickens here. Also, wonderful tasting. We got to taste the fresh lemons, lemonade, different types of olive oil they have here, as well as some homemade wine. And then a wonderful lunch, very good value. We would definitely recommend it. Great experience. It is about 3 hours that you'll spend here, but you get to tour kind of everything you see in the background here. Not the car, obviously, but you get to see the animals. You can see they have a goat that actually jumped on Race's back that you can check out. The food was very good, very fairly priced too, so we did end up purchasing some items here, but great flavors, great experience, great tour. Would definitely recommend that. Now we are headed out to do some hiking, enjoying some of the sun.
So here we are at the Marina de Crapolla, and yes, that is how you pronounce it. At least that's how we're pronouncing it, because it's a funny word to say. No, we're coming down. It's a kind of a lovely little path off of the town of Torca, and it's kind of hard to get to, and especially in the November-December time frame, the path is quite wet and the moss has actually made it quite slippery. So make sure you're bringing a very good pair of shoes, and even then, a lot of times, as you can see here, my one foot is just sliding down the step, so you always want to be very careful with your movements, making sure to try and at least keep 3 points of contact if you're going down, and then just take your time. But it's supposedly well worth it. If not, we'll let you know at the bottom.
And that's why we're not going to take a video as we're walking, because we don't want to die.
Yeah. So here we are, slightly further down. The rock in the dirt has taken over from the concrete steps, and you can see it's actually much easier, although the terrain has gotten quite a bit rougher. It's much easier. It's good footing. It's nice, kind of flattened stairs, as you can see. You can plan your footholds fairly quickly, but it is rugged for anybody with mobility issues or isn't used to this type of hiking.
If you pan to your left, you can show them the other trail, sort of.
So just beyond that rock outcropping out over there, there's another trail that catches on the other side of the valley here. It's supposed to be easier, but
And this one does show paint markings every so often to show us where we're at.
Yep. So you
Not
can
where
see
we're
on
at,
the
but that we're still following the trail.
on the rock here, the paint shows that you're still on the trail. Alright, we're basically to the Crapolla Cove, and that is down below us here. You can see kind of the valley where the little creek runs between the gap there. We're kind of on the staircase route, and there'll be a little church at the bottom. You can see there is a bit of a little ruin off to the distance on the other side there. There's actually some other people out on that other ridge descending. You can see them up over there in the black with the bag. But overall, just absolutely breathtaking views. We're overlooking the Mediterranean here. There you get all these little coastal islands out there, the little dwellings on them. The weather is phenomenal right now. 65 degrees, the brilliant sun. It's actually quite warm in the long sleeve shirt, and I would consider that in the summertime with the amount of vegetation and kind of the closed in path. Maybe try and avoid this in the dead heat of the afternoon in the July and August, or bring lots of water with you, because it's going to be a scorcher on this this rock face here. As you can see around you, a lot of like limestone type rocks that like to reflect heat back rather than absorb it. So it could really cook you. Definitely desert style plants. You can see a large grove of cacti over here. It shows you that, yeah, this gets warm during the summer months, so plan for that if you are here during that time period.
Bring a bathing suit, go swimming at the bottom.